Hello my lovely scholars. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter from our grammar magic book. Okay, so let's begin children. Chapter number 24. Can and cannot. Can is a modal verb. Children, we have learned that am, is, are, was, were, have, has and had are used as helping verbs. They help us to use the main verbs. Yes, in the same way, words like can, cannot, should and should not are used as helping verbs. Yes, children, can is a modal verb. Can is used to express ability. Yes, can suggests the ability to do something. Yes, or we can say that something is possible. Yes, that time children we make use of can. To form the negative, we add not after can to form one word, that is cannot. And the contraction for cannot is can't. So children, when we do not have the ability to perform some task, yes, when we cannot do something, that time we make use of cannot in the sentence. Yes, so cannot suggests the absence of the ability to do something. Yes, when we cannot do something, when something is impossible for us to do. So that time children, we make use of cannot, or we can say can't. We use can and can't to talk about the ability to do something at a specific time in the present or future. So children, we can use can and could with these two tenses of verb, that is present or future. So children, now let us see some more rules about can. So children, first one is ability. This you know. Yes, we make use of can when the person is having the ability to do something. Yes. Next one is possibility. Possibility means children, a chance that something may happen, or we can say it is not likely to happen. Yes, something may happen or may not happen. So in this situation also we make use of can. For example, one wrong move can lose the whole game. So here there is a possibility of winning the game also and yes, losing the game also. And next one is permission. If you need, you can take my car. Yes, so children, when we want to take some permission, that time also we make use of can. Then request. Yes, when we request someone, can you give me a hand? Yes, when we request someone, that time also we make use of can. Then offer. How can I help you? Yes, so children, this is the offer. When we offer someone, that time also we make use of can. How can I help you? Cannot. You can't smoke here. This is the hospital. So children, when something is not allowed, that time we make use of cannot. Yes, in hospital smoking is not allowed. So that time we make use of can't or cannot. Understood children? For example children, she can speak several languages. Yes. The chitta can run fastly, but it cannot fly. Yes. So children, chitta can run fastly. Yes. Chitta is having that ability to run, but it cannot fly. Yes. Chitta do not have that ability to fly. Yes. So children, we have used here cannot. He can swim like a fish. Yes, he is having that ability to swim. So, he can swim like a fish. Now children, let us see where we can use should and should not. We used should and should not mainly to give suggestions or advice in a gentle way. Yes children, should and should not are used to make suggestions. For example, we should study every day. Yes, for example. So children, what we should do? If your teacher said you that you should study every day. So this is the suggestion given by your teacher. We should not hurt others. Yes. So what is the suggestion? That we should not hurt others. Yes. John should get a haircut. So children, this is the suggestion that John should get a haircut. You should try to lose weight. Yes. So children, here someone have given suggestion that she should try to lose weight. Yes. She is fat. So she should try to lose weight. So children, now let us begin the textbook exercises. A. Fill in the blanks with can or cannot. First one, please dash you buy some milk on your way home. I dash go out due to backache. So children, here now someone is requesting. Please is used. Yes. So please, can you buy some milk on your way home? I cannot go out due to backache. Yes. So here children, that person is not having the ability to go outside because that person is having backache. Understood children? Second, I love to eat mangoes, but I cannot eat them because I have a sore throat. Third one, I dash ride a bike, but I dash drive a car. I can ride a bike, but I cannot drive a car. So children, here the person is having that ability to ride a bike, but that person is not having the ability to drive a car. Fourth one, the cookie jar is kept high in the cupboard. I don't think Arun dash get it. Arun can get it. Yes, I dash see many stars in the sky. Yes, I can see many stars in the sky. Sixth one, dash I take another slice of cake please. Yes, of course, you dash. So here children, can I take another slice of cake please? Yes, of course, you can. Here someone is, yes, asking and requesting. Can I take another slice. Yes. So children, now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the remaining questions. Try to solve by your own, children. Now children, exercise B. Fill in the blanks with should or should not. So children, where we use should or should not? Yes, they are used to make suggestions in a gentle way. Yes, first one, she looks tired. I think she dash take a few days off. She should take a few days off. Yes, someone is suggesting her that she should take a few days off because she looks tired. Second, you dash be so rude while speaking to others. You dash apologize for your behavior. You should not be so rude while speaking to others. You should apologize for your behavior. Yes, this is also a suggestion given by someone that we should not be so rude while speaking to others. Yes, we should apologize, means we should say sorry. Yes, for our behavior. Third one, he should have the letter by now. I sent it a couple of weeks ago. Fourth one, we dash always wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Yes, we should always wash fruits and vegetables before eating. Fifth one, she dash arrange the flowers in a beautiful patterns before the guests arrive. So we should arrange the flowers in a beautiful pattern before the guests arrive. Sixth one, it might rain today. You should take an umbrella with you while going out. 7. We dash waste our time sitting idle. Remember, time is very precious. So, we should not waste our time sitting idle. Remember, time is very precious. Yes, children? So, children, I hope you have understood where to use should or should not. So, children, now the remaining questions, try to attempt it. So, children, now it's the homework time. Exercise AB. It is given in the page number 70 to 73. Complete the remaining filling the blanks. Okay, with the good handwriting. Till then, goodbye.